Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2013 Chrysler Town and Country. We just try to add a key. Having a key is a peace of mind. طيب, I'm gonna go here into Imo. معايا يوتيوب channel. فبسوي بعض الفيديوهات.
بتعمل
برضه بنعمل بعض
على اليوتيوب ولا
على اليوتيوب.
Okay.
How are you, brother?
Now you remember me, right?
Yes, how are you doing?
Oh man, no good.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, finish, okay?
We better be good.
I'm just gonna
Just give me the idea, because I'm kind of busy. From here I go. What do you have?
no. What I would like for you to do is, for me, if I could order those pieces, I could get the money for it today, and I pick it up whenever it come in.
I don't know. It's the same place. You just to go to eBay, check it out, and just order it. You need to order it yourself, because if it's anything, you have warranty on it, and they return.
Yourself?
You order it by yourself. Because if there is any problem, you can return it, or like you have communication with. I don't want to be third party. Be directly with them.
Be directly with them.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All
just
right.
go to eBay and get it. It's a 3 pieces, 4 pieces, whatever. You're gonna see it all together.
They come all together.
Yeah, get it. I did it for one guy before. Just go get it and then replace them. Start and go.
All right. Thank you.
What year the car was?
06.
Yeah. Go ahead. Don't worry about it.
All right. Thanks.
No problem, my bro. Thank you. Function. Okay. Let me see how many keys there, because this help a lot. So, a transmission. What's the problem with the transmission?
Transmission فيه مشكلة.
Okay. What they say to you?
They said it's between the transmission. I got picture already on this.
Okay.
They have code 700 something. Just so I'm gonna give you the code. Code B0740.
Okay. And the speed sensor or something?
Not sensor. Not the sensor. I
Internal?
tell them already.
Internal, right?
Yeah. They said these between the transmission.
This is okay.
That's
Torque control.
yeah.
Torque control 7.
Control. Yes.
Okay.
That's what he told.
I already have 2 keys. Beep. No. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. Now this one is good. The only thing left is to cut the insert one. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.